Sell high-risk products on Squarespace. An overview of 5 solutions. Have you recently built your high-risk e-commerce site on Squarespace only to realize that your available payment service options are limited to Stripe and PayPal? As many of you might already know, neither Stripe nor PayPal is capable of processing payments for many businesses in the high-risk industry. Many high-risk business types are listed within their prohibited categories or in violation of their allowed use policies. In short, the out-of-the-box payment solutions you get with Squarespace aren't always going to work if you sell vape, FFL to FFL products, pipes and glassware, legal CBD, or cigars. If you have found that your product is prohibited by Stripe and PayPal, we can probably help. Many of our clients have asked us, what can I do to sell high-risk products on Squarespace without starting over by using a different shopping cart? To be clear, this video is not an instructional how-to step-by-step guide. Please see the link in the description to our article, which explains in much more detail the process we are discussing here. This video is to help inform you of the options you have at your disposal. Please contact us if you think you are ready and we can expedite some of these processes. Squarespace has some great website building features that make it easy for you to create the e-commerce store you want. If you have already created your site, you've probably invested a lot of care and time into creating the online store you've always imagined. Luckily, there is a way to keep using Squarespace while still selling your high-risk products, and we are happy to help. The third-party Squarespace payment gateway alternatives for high-risk product sales. Many of you already know that Squarespace has 3 main ways of accepting credit card payments for Squarespace merchants. Their official payment integrations include Apple Pay, Stripe, and PayPal. Stripe is definitely the most popular choice. However, none of these Squarespace alternatives work for high-risk product sales. This means you need to find a Squarespace Stripe alternative. With this in mind, let's look at some of the best ways to accept payments for high-risk products while using Squarespace. We want to provide you with plenty of alternatives and find what credit card processor is best for your high-risk Squarespace website. These are integration credit card processing alternatives we've found that work well. Squarespace Shopify integration using Authorize.net when Authorize.net is set up properly. Get the Buy Now button or a Shopify Cart option after you have set up your Authorize.net account, which we will guide you through step by step. Embed WuFoo form payment collection on Squarespace. If you want a payment processing/contact form hybrid, WuFoo is the solution you're looking for. Set up a WuFoo account and follow the instructions on our linked article at the top of the description to this video. Squarespace NMI and QuickClick integration. NMI is one of our preferred payment gateways. Using their QuickClick service, you can integrate their high-risk processing into your web store. QuickClick has 3 options for buying: a fixed price button, a shopping cart option, and a donation button, each with its use for various types of businesses. Squarespace Shopify widget with the Pinwheel payment gateway. Limited uses. Certain processors set up a Pinwheel account for you as part of their service. A unique and touchy option for specific businesses and merchants. Contact us if you think this option is best for you, and we will guide you through the process. Foxy.io payment integration for Squarespace. The best fit for most. This option seems to work the best for most merchants we assist. However, Foxy.io is not a payment processor itself. It's a shopping cart solution. In order to process high-risk payments, you will still need an account with Authorize.net, which we can help you do easily. The combination gives you, the merchant, great cart options and is one of the more stable ways to sell high-risk products on Squarespace. You can use all these integrations with Squarespace if you do it right and set up the individual payment gateways for high-risk processing. Contact us anytime for a payment gateway that works with your site. Now let's talk about the general process of integrating these payment processing methods with your Squarespace e-commerce store. How to integrate third-party payment software. Selling high-risk products doesn't need to create problems. You can still use Squarespace and simply add third-party features, modifications, and processors. The main thing to remember here is that if you need assistance or support, you'll probably need to contact the third party you got the code from. In short, this is how you integrate non-official third-party features, code, and customization. Get the widget, HTML, and/or JavaScript code from the third party. Copy the code and insert it where you want it to appear in your website scripting. It's not all that simple. The main challenge for high-risk site owners is finding third parties that offer high-risk processing and also allow you to simply extract and copy the code you need to insert on your Squarespace website. We recommend using us for guided step-by-step assistance so you don't make any mistakes or miss any steps. We have a detailed article on our website, taskerpaymentgateways.com, which is linked at the top of the description to this video. So please read it or contact us if you're interested in selling high-risk products on your Squarespace website. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for the most up-to-date high-risk industry tips and news. Thanks for watching.